Well, it's a beautiful morning. We're late summer, early fall. We're getting nice and cool in the mornings, a little bit of fog here and there. We got some low-hanging branches here and there that we're going to clean up. And we actually have an interesting update for the 4090 chipper, which is the blades. It's probably one of the very few things people struggle with was removing and doing blade changes, and that was due to this bolt that we were using, which was the black oxide Allen key style bolt, which was a huge pain because it was getting stuck, corroded in place, and the Allen key style can only take a limited torque before either you snap the Allen key head off or it strips it out, which can be a huge pain. Furthermore, this is a nice little pocket for stuff to get stuck in, which we don't like. So what we've done is we've gone to a zinc-coated custom bolt that we've designed and had manufactured for us. And so what this is now a 16 mil hex, which comes with a socket. When you buy a new machine, you'll get a socket. If you're going to be buying extra blades, you're going to want to request that socket because we have custom machined that socket to fit this nice and tight. And you can see it fits down in there like a regular bolt. It's going to be very open on the side, so any kind of material will automatically want to fling out due to the centrifugal forces. And we've also put a nice little dimple in the center. That way, if you do need to drill it because someone over torqued it, it can be centered up real easy with a drill bit and be drilled as well easily. So there's a whole bunch of benefits to this style. It'll make doing blade changes much easier and much quicker as well. Other than that, if you have questions about this, give us a call and we can answer some questions. And you'll see a blade change video on YouTube to match this new style blade and bolt design as well. Other than that, let's go get a chainsaw. We'll throw on some safety gear and let's go do some chipping. Alrighty, this trail load's full. I got maybe another 5 or 6 trees to do before I head out. But, you know, with this kind of setup, it is super easy. You probably couldn't make it any easier sort of thing as far as property maintenance goes. So if you got questions about that blade update we're doing, or you need a set of blades, you can give Parts and Service a call. If you got questions about the setup, or maybe a 4003 behind a tractor, You can call sales. They're more than happy to help you. But yeah, just a super easy way to get things done. But I'm going to go dump this and move on with my day. Have a great day yourself, and I'll see you around.